Get that away from me. I'm not gonna eat that. I am not eating that. 要去的中国，今天我去广州。Damn, it's only 50 RMB. It's so cheap. For 2 pairs of shoes, you can get it for 150. How good is that a deal? Can you believe it? It's only 104. One sweatshirt costs 25. Oh, this is woman heaven.
2个小时过去了，还在这个楼里。现在我们去吃晚餐，带他去吃广东菜。
I couldn't bear it to wait for so long just to eat something.
大家可以看哦，
So many people waiting for their turn to
等不了，
eat.
一点都等不了。找了一家全是本地人的店啊，一定很不错。
You know, I realized before you eat,
Yeah.
they bring you some tea to drink or hot water.
Yeah.
It's always like that. I think that's why Chinese people are always healthy.
叫什么来着？咕噜肉。
是啥？
肉。
啥味儿的嘴？
You never eat some food like kind of food like that, huh?
It has pineapple in it. I like this flavor. I don't know why.
Because you're a foreigner.
What has got anything to do because I'm foreigner?
I'm more like spicy one. You're more like sour and sweet one. Yeah, see that?
Yasale. What does that mean?
Eat shit. You are 靓女.
What am I? What am I?
靓女 it means beautiful girl. 靓女
I don't believe you. I don't believe you. It's either bad or stupid.
No.
Let me know in the comments what he says.
Dang, dang, dang.
Get that away from me. Get that away from me. I'm not gonna eat that. I am not eating that. Get that away from me. I am not eating that. I'm telling you straight away.
It's so good stuff.
No. You give me 1 million, I will not eat that. There is no way I am eating that. No way.
Not bad. Give you 1 million.
You're very funny.
经历了10分钟的说服，
I've never eaten bugs before.
It's all the first time.
I cannot.
It have a lot of protein. Good for healthy. 吃进嘴里沙沙的感觉，我个人觉得还可以吧，不能算得上好吃。
Oh yeah.
这个鱼是真的好吃。
The outside is crispy, but the inside is soft and fluffy. You know, I saw on the internet when foreigners go to eat, you know, the Chinese way, when like we eat with your parents. So they have like the food around the table, and you twist it, you have to take it. But what they did is they were like, oh, why is this portion so big? You know? So they just, you know, they take the whole dish, and just put it in front of them and just like eat it.
Yeah. In China we share together.
Yeah, you just share it. I'm really sorry that I did not like that. I just cannot eat it, so I
In the
apologize.
field also that a lot of Chinese they don't do that. Because Chinese too big, that's why it have a lot of things to try. They have different culture, different food culture.